Want to make money using AI tools, even if you have zero skills or money to start? In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful AI websites that can generate real income from home, all in 2025. Stay until the end for a secret bonus tool that most people don't even know exists. Number 1. ChatGPT. Use it to write blog posts, product descriptions, emails, and even full ebooks. You can offer these services on freelance sites like Fiverr and Upwork. Many people are making hundreds per week just by selling ChatGPT-powered content. Number 2. Pictory. Turn any script or blog into a professional video in minutes. Perfect for faceless YouTube channels and social media marketing. No editing experience needed. Just paste your text and choose visuals. Number 3. Midjourney. Generate stunning AI images with simple text prompts. These images can be sold on stock photo sites, printed on merch, or used in digital marketing. AI art is booming, and Midjourney is leading the charge. Number 4. Opus Clip. Take long videos and automatically turn them into viral short clips for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram. It even adds captions, emojis, and highlights key moments. Great for repurposing content and building a social media audience fast. Number 5. Notion AI. Use it to automate note-taking, create task lists, brainstorm ideas, or generate outlines for blog posts and videos. It's like having an AI productivity assistant, and it's free to start. Bonus, Leonardo AI. This tool is a game changer for digital artists. It helps you create high-quality character designs, concept art, and more, all using AI. People are already making money selling these designs as NFTs, game assets, or digital downloads. Which one of these AI tools will you try first? Comment AI money below if you want part 2 with even more income tools. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for weekly side hustle ideas powered by AI.